Welcome to my channel, Nas Ganev.
Hey guys, I received this really cute package from Benefit, which is their new skincare product, and I'm so excited to show it to you and test it. So this is what's inside. They have the new shrink wrap, the new wow polish, and the deep retreat. Let's try them all. I'm wearing the scarf because my hair looks like a mess and I really wanted to film this video. So let's try the deep retreat first. This is a pore refining clay mask. I do have a pimple over here and my pores are not the best, so this is a perfect opportunity to try this. This, by the way, is not new, but I've never tried it, so let's give it a go. I can't wait to see the end result. It says to leave it for 30 minutes, so see you in 30 minutes. So it's been about half an hour and I'm gonna wash it. My face is so, like, I can barely talk because it feels so tight, but you can see my pores. Okay, I'm gonna go wash it and you're gonna see the result. And then I can put the other two products as well. So the next one is gonna be the Wow Polish Triple Pore Exfoliating Powder. So it's perfect after this because I would have removed all the dirt from my pores and this will help to exfoliate everything. And then this is an overnight AHA and PHA treatment. To be honest, it's in the middle of the day, so I'm not gonna put it. I'll be real with you. I will not use this today. I will use it tonight. Oh, it's slidable. You slide it to the side. It's so cool. Okay, I am back and I am loving the results. Look at how clear my pores are. I am obsessed, like really obsessed. So this is the launch that they had last year. Let's try the new launch now. So this is the Triple Pore Exfoliating Powder. So how I would use it, I would put some on my hand. Look at this powder. So I'll just spray some water. Normally you can just put some under the sink. So you just make foam with it and then you just massage onto your skin, especially in this area here and your forehead, because this is where actually it becomes very congested. For me it's also the beard area because I don't really exfoliate it because I normally have a beard and I cannot reach the skin. So this area here also is really nice to be exfoliated well. So basically the whole face. So now you just rinse it and you're ready. Perfect. I am glowing. My skin looks amazing. I am obsessed with these new products. Let's try the last one, which is the Shrink Wrap Overnight AHA and PHA Pore Treatment. This one I will be trying on the back of my hand now, but I will put on my skin later on tonight. It doesn't have much of a smell to it and it feels really nice on the skin. It's kinda in a gel consistency, but not exactly. I think it's beautiful and I really love these products. I can't wait to see what else Benefit Cosmetics comes up with, especially because I'm still waiting on an SPF. Really think that any pore care needs SPF because the sun is one of the worst reasons to have like larger pores. So definitely an SPF, please, Benefit. I'll be letting you know on my stories how the shrink wrap goes, so don't miss out on my stories. Okay, thank you for watching and follow for more.